Welcome back to the class. In the last class, we worked on drawing. We drew a group of fruits and some object, a bottle and a glass cup. And in the last class, I emphasized on some things, some elements of art that you need to focus on. You need to focus on the shape and the tones, the light, the movement of light, the shadow and the shadow, especially shadow. And remember, we have two types of source of light. We have the natural light and we have the artificial light. And then in our exercise, we use the artificial light. We use a single source of light, which gave us the movement of light, which gave us the shadow. And the last class, I told you that you need to focus, you need to check out your strokes. Your first stroke is not your last stroke. So when you are drawing, you don't draw with a very thick line. You draw with a very light line, and because you may still need to erase it. And today, we will be working on the same object, but this time it's painting. And remember, just like last class, we focus on the shape and the tones. But this time around, the last class was monochrome, a single tone with a pencil. But this time we'll be using colors. We'll be using colors to show the warm and the cool. We're using warm color and cool colors to show the tones, the movement of light. The painting technique we'll be using this time around is wash. In wash, you have a lot of water. You use the water, or you use the color, watery colors, move it on top of your book to show impression on the things. No, I'm not using the thick color. So you need to focus, you need to watch it as I'm doing it, because you need to control the water so that it won't spoil your thing. And when you put the color there, it's already there. So make sure you perfect your drawing before you start painting. Make sure you do that before you start painting, because you can't erase wash. And one more thing, in wash we use from light to dark. Use your lightest tone, which is, on my palette now we have white as the lightest tone and yellow. So use your lightest tone before the darkest tone. If you use blue and you want to put yellow on it, it's not possible. So watch it. Use your lightest tone to your darkest tone. And I purposely chose these 5 colors so that we can get all of that color from these 5 colors. I want us to mix the color while painting. It's fun when you mix color while painting. You enjoy it and you discover a lot of new colors. And we know that when you want to use yellow plus red, it gives you orange. Yellow plus blue, it gives you green. Red plus blue, it gives you purple. And the 3 primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, it gives you brown. So we'll be using it and we have fun while mixing your color, while painting.